Hello, garden buddies. Welcome to another episode of Gardener on a Mission. This episode is an update on the lemon drop coneflowers and just a quick little video of what I have managed to get done this year. Sorry that the videos have just not been there because my health is just really kicking my butt this year. Well, never mind. Anyway, so I'll show you the lemon drop coneflowers that I got from Bluestone Perennial on sale. Remember, there was 5 of them. Put them right here. You can see there's one right there, one right there, and one right here. 3 of the 5 look like they have come up. And this one, as you can see, is starting to put out some flowers. And there's one on this one right back here. There's one there too. So 3 of the 5 have managed to survive. I've just been a bad plant parent this year. Everything's just been no good this year. I'll show you a little bit of what I've got done so far. This is one of the beds that I have gotten, for the most part, done. There's a few weeds in here, but I've almost got this one completely done. I've got piles of mulch in there. I don't know if you can see the piles, that they're piles. I got to get them finished spreading, but this one's basically done. There is the Batesia that we transplanted from last year, doing very well, as you can see. I'm loving this Sombrero Baja Burgundy coneflower. Isn't that beautiful? All right, and the Clethra Sugartina crystallina summer sweet is in full bloom, or getting ready to bloom, full bud. But what I've gotten done is this is all I've gotten done so far this year, are my mailbox recipes, and the critters are, you can see that one, one gumfrene over there. Some critter just basically ripped it all out of the ground, so I'll have to replace that. Or anyway, the recipe calls for them to be 6 feet this way and 6 feet by 6 feet. I think these are a little bit more than 6 feet by 6 feet. Maybe closer to 7 by 7, especially this one. The other 2 might be closer to the 6 by 6. And this year I just came up with my own recipe. I did basically all pink, but in pink family, but Supertunia Vista, Jazzberry, Pink Gumfrena, 3 of those, or 5, 3 of those, 3 Jazzberries, and Rockin' Fuchsia Salvia, a proven winners, all proven winner plants. 5 of the salvia, and I just got them done, so it's about 5 weeks late for me, so they're not going to be as impressive this year. Probably, maybe, we'll see. But looks like, I don't know what's coming in here. It may be people walking their dogs and letting their dogs get over here, and then their leash gets caught on those gumfrena and is ripping them. I don't know, but it could be deer, could be rabbits. Also, you can see in this one bed, the millennial allium is in bud. It's in its Medusa stage, I call it. Those look like little Medusa to me. And then you can see the meant to be Queen Nectarine Agastache is looking good. And you can also see I got it too close. I'll have to be moving something. And here's the Phantom Hydrangea Standard budding out. But that's what I've got done so far.